What is the best autoresponder for making money online? The point is that the question is wrong. Because if you're not making money online, the problem is not the autoresponder. The basic function of an autoresponder is sending emails. What you have to be concerned of is if the autoresponder really sends email and if this email get delivered. So the important thing is the delivery, and now also the automation might be a good feature, because on someone as opting in, you can set up an automation if they open the email, or if not, it could be useful. But the point is the overall strategy. If you don't have an overall strategy, if you don't know where these leads are going after opted in, if you don't know how much your offer should be, if you don't know if there is a product to market magic, because your opt-in page is about something and your offer is about something that is not related to the opt-in page. Okay, with the opt-in page you pre-frame the leads. If your opt-in page example, if your my opt-in page is about making money online using emails, okay, making money online sending emails, so it's about email marketing, it's about affiliate marketing. And if you after opt-in pay, after you get you go to my opt-in page and you insert your mail, immediately after you can book a call with me or go to an offer that is slightly related to this opt-in page. For example, the secret email system of Matt Baker, which is a legendary email marketer, or Brendan Mays about making money using affiliate marketing, and other offer that must be related to your opt-in page. That is the most important thing that you have to be aware of, is that your opt-in page is really get in sync with your offer. You can do this with two options. Basically, you're not forced to have one website. It is very funny to say, but lots of people think, oh, I have a website, I cannot have more than one website. Yes, you can build custom opt-in pages, custom landing pages for every product you are going to sell. As an example, using lead pages, which is one of the leaders in the market for building landing pages, opt-in pages as sales page, the one I use, you can build as many opt-in pages you want, and you can easily sync this opt-in page with your offer. You can track whatever you need to track and so on. So the most important thing is that your opt-in page really pre-frame the lead, and is simple. The simplest opt-in page is the best one. As an example, you get visitors often have 15 seconds of span attention when they land to your opt-in page. They look at it, scroll, or even not scroll, and then put your email or go away. They don't have that time to scroll all the page and see everything you've written about you, about your company, with basically no one really care, because the people are interested on what you can do for them, not who you really are. No one cares. Okay, so the most simplest opt-in page that really match the ads, that really match the offer you're going to do to display after. Okay, so this leads to our main point. You need something that's synced everywhere. You need an ad that's synced to the opt-in page. The opt-in page is synced to the offer and the opt-in page, and the ad. They really sync to your positioning, to your marketing system, or to what really you are going to offer to these people. And you really have to think also if this offer will vanish in a matter of months, or if there is a really if there really is a market. So if you can sell something and you can upsell other things, and if these people after going to the opt-in page and maybe buy something, if you have other things to offer to these people, if you have other products in the same niche, or if it's only one product offer, one product that you can sell and nothing else. It's very, very important that you really take a niche where there is a huge demand and you can offer other products to the same people. Okay? So for doing everything, you can go to makemoneysendemails.com, click the link below, and you get your step-by-step system, step-by-step coaching to make money online, along with a report, along with other tips, and basically you can learn how to make money online using email marketing, which is the best system. So the answer to your to the question, what is the most beautiful, the most powerful autoresponder, is whatever you think, it may suit. I personally use F2 campaign now, but in the future I may change if there's something better, if the delivery dropped. Now the delivery of Active Campaign is good. You can Google and see Glock apps or other sites that will check the delivery of the every autoresponder. It's even better than a web. So the answer to your question is, what is important is what you really need for your marketing material. If you're an offline shop, you may need something more complex in order to retarget whatever it is. But the most important thing is the delivery. Okay? So, and if you really want to know more, just go to makemoneysendemails.com, click the link below, and get this step-by-step coaching. Bye.